I got it on camera. I was right here the other day. Are you? Huh?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary.
So y'all, this video was posted a couple months ago, but I just need some content to post. So like, I hope y'all enjoy. So like, without further ado, let's get into this good video. Thank you. Bye. Love y'all. I got it. I got it on camera.
Damn, it smells like a mother.
Ooh, but it got a satisfying sound to it though. Yeah. Yep, this one. Rashawn, I need to hurry up. Okay. So I just fell down the hill. My stepmom came back to help me, but they want to go over there, already close to the store. It's the fake issue that I be talking about, bro. Yeah, they falling out. Let me come back, because you came back for me. Oh, you're right there. My phone. I'll survive.
We got one in the house. We got one in the house.
No, it hurts. Man, you should have recorded me sliding down the hill.
Bro, I'm trying not to slide down the hill.
I'm talking about the hill that I got stuck on.
Oh my gosh, my hands are burning.
You go find us on TikTok, it's okay. Y'all see how she gotta hide her hair behind that bonnet? She not getting her hair done yet, but I am. I was right here the other day. Are you? Huh?
She had to drop her hands and stuff.
She fell. Oh yeah, she fell out the window.
She fell on the
What's in your lip?
Okay, this time we need to stick together.
For real, y'all.
My hands are cold and burning.
For real. Rose is dead.
Okay. Off the road. Safer. Now let's go short and dangerous. No. She fell right there, right here.
So that shit was actually funny. You feel like a Looney Tunes character.
I got it. I got it on camera. Exactly. Angela, here come our part.
So you can tell on me, huh,
Gotta walk real slow because I got slip. Slides. Just getting in my shoe. I can't feel my fingers had the door closed.
Alright, where that heater at? Where that heater?
My new bitch look like Dolly.